Greetings, Earthlings. This is Satine.Lee's Hologram, and I'm bringing you a message from space about space. Allow me to refer to my hologram notes. All right. The universe is expanding. The universe's expansion can be thought to be like a balloon being inflated. Points on the surface of the balloon move apart, but none of them is the center of expansion. Scientists describe the universe in terms of two basic partial theories. The general theory of relativity, which describes the forces of gravity and the large-scale structure of the universe, being its structure on scales from a few miles to as large as a million, the size of the observable universe. That's 1 with 24 zeros after it. And the other partial theory used to describe the universe is quantum mechanics, which deals with phenomena on extremely small scales, such as a millionth of an inch. These theories are inconsistent with each other, meaning they cannot both be correct. Scientists continue searching for a quantum theory of gravity, a complete unified theory that can describe everything in the universe. If the universe was static and infinite in every direction, every line of sight would end in a star, which would make the night sky as bright as the sun. Most of the stars visible to the naked eye lie within a few hundred light years of us. The nearest star to our solar system is Proxima Centauri, which is about 4 light years, or 23 million miles away from Earth. Our Sun is 8 light minutes away from Earth. Our Sun is just one of the 100,000 million stars that make up our galaxy, the Milky Way. The Milky Way is only one of the many galaxies in the local group. The local group, in turn, is just one of the thousands of groups and clusters of galaxies which form the largest known structures of our universe. Distances in our solar system are measured in astronomical units, known as AUs. 1 AU is slightly less than the average distance from the Earth to the Sun, 150 kilometers or 93 miles. Beyond our planets, about 30 AUs from Earth, lies the Kuiper Belt, populated by objects composed of frozen methane, ammonia, and/or water ices. This Kuiper Belt is about 5 light hours away from our Sun. 5,000 light years from the Sun is the local arm of our galaxy called the Orion Spur. 50,000 light years away from the Sun is the Milky Way galaxy, a loose spiral disk of 200 billion stars rotating around a compact center. The Milky Way is about 100,000 light years across. 500,000 light years from the Sun are the satellite galaxies. The Milky Way is surrounded by several dwarf galaxies, slowly orbiting it in periods of billions of years. 5 million light years from the Sun is the local group. The Milky Way is gravitationally bound to 2 other large spiral galaxies, as well as dozens of dwarf galaxies. 100 million light years from the Sun is the Virgo supercluster. The local group of galaxies is just one of many centered around the massive Virgo cluster. Collectively, all of these groups and clusters form a unit known as the Virgo supercluster. 1 billion light years from the Sun, you will find the neighboring superclusters. The distribution of galaxies in the universe is far from regular. They tend to clump together into huge supercluster formations. For more info, check space.com, atlasoftheuniverse.com, and also I suggest that you read A Brief History of Time and the Universe in a Nutshell, both by Stephen Hawking. Thank you for your time. Over and out.